Hey guys, and welcome to the cafe. So I got a couple things I want to go over with you today, a couple really fun things, all about the same channel. So I found this channel recently, and many of you probably already know about her, but the channel name is FroyleArt. And I have her linked below. Now, I've been watching some of her videos, and this lady is just so down to earth and funny, and she's a real pleasure to watch her channel. So she's got videos that are anywhere from 15, 17 minutes all the way up to a little bit over an hour. And you know, I struggle with the longer videos, but what I've been doing with the channel, because there's so many artists that I love that do longer videos, and I just watch 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, and then I've been able to watch the duration of the videos that way. I just have so much going on. You know how it is, right? So anyway, like I was saying, I've got FroyleArt linked below her channel, and she's doing a very cool challenge right now, and it's called hashtag 100 days of collage. Now you can find it on Instagram. You hit up that hashtag and you can see all the different artists and all the different artwork that is happening within this challenge. Now Froyle's got she does a weekly video where she goes over, she does a different theme each week for the challenge, and she goes over that theme, and then she does the week's worth of collages in a video, and it's really fun to watch, and you just get to see the process, and it's a bit of a hangout, you know, crafting time. So I invite you to check that out. And then what I'm doing here on my channel, I found out about the challenge pretty late into it. You know, they had already been doing it for like 2.5, almost 3 weeks when I found out about it, and she just put out week 4. I'm playing catch up, so I've got 4 on this video, and I'm gonna just add them to my channel as I make them, and I'm gonna play catch up until I get caught up. This is the loose plan anyway. And then what I'm gonna do is 1 a day at that point. If I do not make it to that point, I'm just gonna put the videos of the collages out as I do them. So either way, it's all gonna work out. And let's say you're new to YouTube. Let's say you're new to this whole crazy world of collage and artwork, and you see this video a year after it comes out. No problem. Do the challenge anyway. I invite you to do it. I started it, and this is a way to have such an amazingly fun time doing collage very quickly. You know, a lot of what I do on my channel is quite involved, and I'm getting better at doing stuff that's not quite as involved, but I do a lot of involved artwork, and this challenge is really helping me to be able to whip out some really beautiful pieces of artwork very quickly. So I invite you to do it. What you will learn about yourself doing this challenge is well worth doing it. So I wanted to tell you all about that. So I've got these 4 videos coming up. They're all really quick. They're each around 2 minutes. I think they're all under 3 minutes on this video here. So you can watch those 4. And then if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe, and you'll be able to see all the other ones I do, plus the Soul of an Artist excavation that I'm doing for the year of 2022, and all different kinds of fun watercolor art and all different kinds of surprises here. So hit the subscribe, and then head on down to the description box and check out Froyle's channel. She's also got a Facebook group, and I've got that listed below as well. It's all very clear and easy to get to everything. So let's go ahead and get into these collage pieces.